Angel Falls, Venezuela, a natural wonder. Introduction. Tucked away deep within the lush rainforests of Venezuela lies one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders, Angel Falls. Towering over the landscape at a staggering height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, it is the tallest uninterrupted waterfall on the planet. Named after Jimmy Angel, the American aviator who first publicized its existence in the 1930s, Angel Falls captivates and enthralls all who venture to witness its breathtaking beauty. This essay delves into the history, geography, ecology, and significance of Angel Falls, exploring its allure and the wonders it bestows upon the fortunate few who encounter it. Geography and formation. Angel Falls is situated in the Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Gran Sabana region of Venezuela. The falls are fed by the Churun River, which flows from the Auyán-tepui, one of the numerous tabletop mountains that dot the landscape of the Guiana Highlands. The Auyán-tepui itself is an awe-inspiring natural formation, characterized by its sheer cliffs and flat mountaintop, and serves as the stage from which the majestic cascade of Angel Falls originates. The waterfall owes its existence to the unique geological processes that have shaped the region over millions of years. Erosion, primarily from the action of water, has gradually carved out deep valleys and gorges, resulting in the creation of these towering tepuis and the magnificent waterfalls that cascade from their edges. Angel Falls is a testament to the immense power of nature and the intricate interplay of geological forces that have sculpted the landscape of Venezuela, ecology and biodiversity. The surrounding rainforests of Canaima National Park are among the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet, teeming with an extraordinary array of plant and animal species. The park is home to numerous endemic and rare species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The lush vegetation provides habitat for a diverse range of flora, including orchids, bromeliads, and towering hardwood trees. The fauna of the region is equally impressive, with iconic species such as the jaguar, giant anteater, and harpy eagle roaming the dense forests. The rivers and streams that flow through the park are inhabited by a rich diversity of aquatic life, including freshwater dolphins, piranhas, and colorful tropical fish. Angel Falls and its surrounding environs serve as a vital refuge for these species, providing essential habitats and ecological niches that support their survival. Cultural significance. For the indigenous Pemon people who inhabit the region, Angel Falls holds profound cultural and spiritual significance. The falls are known as Karapakupai Meru in the Pemon language, which translates to waterfall of the deepest place. According to Pemon mythology, the falls are believed to be the dwelling place of the spirits, and they are revered as sacred sites.